Sorry it's been a while since I posted, guys. Today we got a 2020 Chevy Malibu. I'm going to show you the ins and outs of getting the tranny out. It's not a full every step video like a lot of my videos are, but it's going to give you an idea of what it takes to get the tranny out. Hey guys, this video I have some news for you guys. I'm going to put it right towards the middle. That's when the news will be.
This is a 2020 Chevy Malibu. It's got 60,000 miles. The transmission already went out. I'm just showing you the rundown of the top. I removed the battery tray, removed the top cover, the battery, then the battery tray, then the bell bolts. This is the back bell bolt. They're 15s. Two bell bolts. One was right there. The other one was right here. Pretty easy to get to once you get this battery tray out of the way. So to undo my two plugs right there and there. This just slid off of the battery box. It's all pretty easy. There's a plug that came undone right here. That's where the plug is for the transmission. The red thing slides back and then you just unplug it. Pushing on that. But the top is now done on this 2020 Chevy Malibu. Alright, you guys can see how I undid the PCM, TCM, whatever it's called. Just gonna try to position it out of my way now. I just position the computer in the side here just to keep it out of the way. Alright guys. Let's see how that goes. Wiggle and pull.
Smoking causes lung cancer, heart disease, emphysema, and may complicate pregnancy. It only may complicate pregnancies. There's still hope it might not.
Smack it with a hammer right there to break it free.
They got this fucking gas station sets up there by the counter, and if you need them, you know, if they're not there, you squeeze it, and it says, you make some
I
fucking,
gotta take something loose here.
make some noise, and they hear the noise, you know. Someone stole it. Someone took it off the fucking counter.
Paul! Give me a lift, man. I heard himself. If I start dropping it, he's going to try to catch it.
Well, I'm just gonna direct it so I don't hit neither one of us. I ain't catching it. I ain't lifting my arm out of the swing.
Come this way, or we doing?
Yeah. You grab that side and I'll walk that.
Alright guys, I got the starter out. I took this bracket off the front of the transmission. You see I removed that.
Alright guys, you made it to the surprise. Building transmissions now, guys. I'm not taking them out and putting them in anymore. I'm a builder now, so you want to watch and see the progression of me from a tranny R&R guy to a builder and beyond, keep watching, guys, because that's what I'm going to show you. I started out here as a diag guy. I crashed enough cars, they had to make me stop doing diags, and then I started doing R&R, and then from there, now I'm doing building because I've been here so long and I show up every day. And they needed a builder, so here I am. They got me in the back here, they got AC back here, got a little cushier for Dylan. Trying to move up in the ladder as far as I can get. It's a little easier back here on my back, but a little harder on my brain. I'm having to learn a whole new set of skills. So I hope you guys look forward to watching me along my journey, and thanks for watching.
That's where you get access to the torque converter bolt, guys, right through there. I'm just gonna stick my little impact up there. They're 18s. And the front crank bolt. The front crank bolt's a 21. Alright, I got the subframe out. Mounts out. Axles are hanging. Just showing you what it looks like before I go to pull it out. I got my high horse holding the motor up there. I'm gonna climb this ladder, take my top mount bolts off. Watch me. Settle. Means I got it. Get top mount bolts out. Set it right here. Ground wires attached to this plastic piece in the front. 2 hours. Start the day at 8, 10 o'clock. Alright guys, I got it out. Let me show you what the motor looks like now. There's one dowel. There's the other dowel. Starter hole. There's our square hole. So that's the first torque converter bolt you're going to want to put in. That one there. The other side probably has a little fucking pink dot. And as you can see, I got it out in 2 hours. I start the day at 10 or 8, and now it's 10. So that's how long it took me. Alright, it's mated. I'll show you how to fill it, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Alright, I want to give you the rundown. I got it ready for the subframe. You can see both my axles are in, starter's in, grounds are on. This little bracket's installed in the back. The lines have been flushed and installed. The ground in the front's installed. All the bell bolts are in. So now we're ready for the subframe. It's back there. I'll show you how to fill it still. All right guys, you gotta install this mount before the exhaust. Remove it after the exhaust. Just gonna push forward on the motor to get it to line up, but I can't show you that. But guys, I'm getting ready to fill it. I'm gonna put 2 quarts in this brand new unit. They come filled, but just to cover my ass, I'm gonna go and stick 2 quarts in it, and I'll show you how to check it down below. And this is the fluid it takes right here. AC Delco fluid is what it takes. Alright guys, this is where you check it. You fill it up till it comes out, and then you take this plug out and start it, and you fill it till it comes out. So that's the checker. Alright guys, this is what it looks like with the funnel in there. It's going down to that fill hole. I'm going to raise it up, start it, and then take that plug out, and then come up here and put fluid in it.
I stick a couple videos up over here. Check them out. I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button is the best way to support my channel.